Group decision making process is a very crucial process in the performance of any group. For that purpose, number of things has to be kept in mind. Number one, that is the decision rules. Decision rules are those rules about how a group should reach a decision. Further, another important factor that will affect overall the decision making power of a group is that is biases that is in order to use information within a group. When a group meets to discuss an issue, members often have different information about the topic and different points of view, and in turn this will make the individuals to have debate with each other. Biased use of information in a group can be defined as having information processing on the basis of one's possible access, and studies are now that was conducted, that was actually a series of studies, and all the group members were given some shared information and some were given unshared information. Results showed that group members spend more time discussing shared than unshared information. This is called the common knowledge effect. Similarly, another phenomena that appeared during this particular study was that is known as group interaction. That suggests that group interaction is much more easier and more comfortable when mutual information is discussed. So during the discussion, or we can say decision making process within a group, number of factors are important. Group often make more extreme decisions than do individuals alone. In group polarization, we can explain that several explanations have been offered, such as persuasive argumentative perspective, second is social comparison and self-presentation processing, and third is social identity processing. In persuasive argument perspective, people gain new information as a result of listening to pro and cons arguments in a group discussion. They're more likely to adopt that position. Whereas in social comparison and self-presentation process, during discussion, individuals may learn others a desire to see positive and as confident as bold may lead to shift towards other position. Whereas in social identity process, discussion causes individuals to focus on their groups members and to identify with the group. Groupthink is very important and very influential element of a group behavior or group performance. Groupthink can be defined as poor group decision making based on inadequate consideration of alternatives. Groupthink was proposed. There was a particular phenomenon that was explained in terms of this diagram, which suggests that first of all, the very first is that is setting the stage of our group think, and it comprises of group is highly cohesive, group is close to outsiders' opinions, group has strong directive leaders. Group has strong directive leaders, group doesn't have systematic procedures to evaluate alternatives, and group feels high stress external threats. So this constitutes the first stage or setting the stage of a group think. The next stage is known as group think, a strong desire to group consensus, which in turn lead to the characteristics of a group think that comprises of group feels invulnerable, group assumes its position is moral, and group discounts challenges and rationalizes own position. Group stereotypes its opponents. Group members do not express their doubts and disagreements. Those who disagree with group are pressured to conform, and group has an illusion of unanimity. So this characteristic of group think in turn will lead to another possible outcome, that is poor decision making. That is, group gives inadequate consideration to objectives, group doesn't educate survey alternative actions, group doesn't fully examine risk of chosen alternatives, group doesn't educate search of relative information, group evaluates information in a biased way. So all of these possible 4 different steps are interrelated, starting from the stage of groupthink that leads to the group consensus. Third, the characteristics of a groupthink, and in turn, the product is going to be the poor decision making.